Now we will see how to change from this design to this design using Product Layout plugin. Go to Product category and view Accessories category. This is our Accessories page design. Now we will change this design using Archive Page option. Go to Product Layouts. For example, I create general layouts. Create a style. Set a layout's short code name and save. Successfully create our layouts. I was change some style, like border, box shadow, and hover color. I also add a Load More button from Advanced option. Save the design and copy the short code name. Now go to Product Layout setting. Click Archive Page option. Pass the layout's short code name. Here we can add filter. Save changes. Go to Accessories page and reload. Successfully change the design. If you use any page builder to customize the category page, you can use the shortcode to the category page. Thanks for watching the video.